We've talked a lot about the newest Fall 2024 trends in previous videos, exploring bold patterns, fresh colors, and all the latest styles hitting the runways. But today, let's shift gears. Instead of focusing on what's trending, we're diving into something more enduring: timeless elegance. In the old money aesthetic. These are the fall looks that never go out of style, outfits that embody quiet luxury, classic cuts, and understated refinement. If you're new here and love timeless fashion tips, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on our daily style inspiration. There's something about the old money aesthetic that speaks volumes without saying a word. It's not about flashing logos or following fleeting trends. Instead, it's about looking effortlessly polished, rooted in the kind of elegance that transcends time and seasons. Think of those iconic looks that have been passed down through generations, yet still manage to look fresh today. Fall is the perfect season to embrace these looks. The cooler weather allows for layering, luxurious fabrics, and textures that embody sophistication. So, if you're looking for ways to embrace the fall season with sophistication and grace, these 12 timeless, old money-inspired outfits will help you do just that. A cashmere sweater paired with tailored wool trousers is an essential fall outfit that radiates quiet luxury. Neutral tones like camel, beige, or soft gray bring depth and elegance to this look. Cashmere, known for its softness and warmth, is a fabric that exudes refinement without being overly showy. The structured wool trousers balance the softness of the sweater, creating a look that's both cozy and polished. The beauty of this pairing lies in its simplicity. These are pieces that feel luxurious on the skin and provide a timeless foundation for layering. You could easily add a tailored coat or an elegant scarf to elevate this look further. As for footwear, classic leather loafers are a great choice. They add just the right amount of structure to the outfit, grounding the softer elements. A pearl necklace or a delicate gold chain is all you need to accessorize, keeping the look understated yet sophisticated. A trench coat is a wardrobe staple that never goes out of style. It's versatile, practical, and effortlessly stylish. In fall, a camel or khaki trench is ideal, offering a perfect neutral layer to pair with almost anything in your wardrobe. Combined with ankle-grazing trousers and sleek loafers, the trench coat embodies the kind of old-world charm that never fades. What's great about this look is that it works for both casual and more polished occasions. Whether you're running errands, taking the kids to school, or heading out for a weekend coffee, the trench coat elevates your outfit with minimal effort. It's the definition of practical elegance. Add a simple silk scarf for a subtle pop of color or texture, and you'll have a look that feels classic and contemporary all at once. Channeling the classic equestrian look is a great way to bring structure and timelessness to your fall wardrobe. Dark skinny jeans, knee-high leather boots, and a fitted blazer are key elements in this ensemble. These pieces, when paired together, evoke images of crisp fall mornings and country estates. To complete the look, a crisp white button-down shirt is a must. It keeps the outfit looking sharp, adding that air of refinement that's synonymous with the old money aesthetic. You don't need to be on horseback to appreciate the equestrian look. It works just as well for a casual city stroll or a weekend getaway. The structured nature of the blazer and boots provides a strong silhouette, while the dark jeans keep it modern and practical. An oversized blazer layered over a sleek midi skirt is another winning fall combination. This look strikes the perfect balance between masculine structure and feminine grace. The blazer adds an element of tailored sophistication, while the flowing lines of the midi skirt bring a touch of softness and movement. What makes this outfit so appealing is its versatility. You can easily transition from day to night by swapping your footwear. Ankle boots during the day provide comfort and practicality, while ballet flats or even a heeled shoe can dress up the outfit for the evening. Add a simple leather belt to cinch the waist, creating a more defined silhouette, and finish with minimal jewelry to keep the focus on the clean lines of the outfit. For a clean, luxurious look, a monochromatic cream outfit is always a winning choice. Whether it's a knit dress or tailored trousers and a turtleneck, keeping it within the same color palette adds a sense of sophistication. Cream, beige, and soft whites are colors that evoke elegance without trying too hard. They're perfect for fall, as they bring a sense of warmth and coziness without feeling heavy. A belted coat in a similar shade completes this look beautifully. The belt adds definition to the waist, creating a flattering silhouette. For accessories, a structured handbag in a complementary tone works perfectly, keeping everything cohesive and refined. This outfit is ideal for those days when you want to look effortlessly put together while staying comfortable and warm. Plaid skirts are a fall classic that never goes out of style. There's something about plaid that instantly makes an outfit feel autumnal, evoking images of crisp air, fallen leaves, and cozy evenings by the fire. Paired with a fitted turtleneck and topped with a wool cape, this outfit blends tradition with modern elegance. Opt for rich fall colors like deep green, burgundy, and navy, perfect for those crisp autumn afternoons. The wool cape adds a layer of luxury and drama to the outfit, while the fitted turtleneck keeps the silhouette sleek and polished. This look works wonderfully for daytime outings or casual evening gatherings. Add a pair of knee-high boots to finish the outfit, and you'll have an ensemble that's as timeless as it is stylish. Tweed is another fabric that embodies old money elegance. A well-fitted tweed jacket instantly adds texture and sophistication to your fall wardrobe. Pair it with high-waisted trousers for a sleek, put-together look. The structured nature of the tweed contrasts beautifully with the flowing lines of the trousers, creating a harmonious balance. This look is perfect for those cooler fall days when you want something warm but still stylish. You can easily layer a silk blouse or even a turtleneck underneath for added warmth. A simple leather handbag and classic loafers or boots complete the look, adding those final touches of elegance. Adding a silk scarf to a wool coat is a simple way to elevate your fall outfit. The contrast between the softness of the silk and the texture of the wool creates a dynamic and elegant look. A neutral wool coat, whether in gray, beige, or camel, is a timeless fall staple, and the silk scarf adds a layer of sophistication and color. You can wear this combination with almost anything: jeans, trousers, or even a dress. It's one of those effortlessly chic outfits that work for all kinds of occasions, from a casual day out to a more formal evening affair. Old money fall outfits bring a sense of polish and refinement, perfect for the cooler months. These timeless pieces, rooted in tradition and understated luxury, will keep you looking sophisticated, no matter the occasion. It's all about choosing quality garments with classic cuts that last through the years, making elegance feel effortless. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more style inspiration. Let me know in the comments which outfit speaks to you the most. Stay elegant, and I'll see you in the next video.